Hello, hello. It's my LOCAVERSARY. Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to yet another amazing video of my DIY. Today, I want to show you how I do self-retightening and it's my LOCAVERSARY. It's been 3 years since I installed this Sisterlocs on my own. I did install on my own though. I don't have a great grid because I did them on my own and I've been maintaining them alone since then. I did my install on May 2021, May 26th. So I turned 3 years last month and I've been doing this Retie for almost 2 days, so I'm done. As you can see, I have a low porosity air. This air here in my crown, I lost a lot of air before I did my install. Actually, that is what motivated me to do an install, and it has been a great help for me. At least for now, my air is fuller, even though you can see I'm very scalpy here, and though my back is fully locked and it's also full. It's full. I've lost like 3 locks here at the back. Normally, when I'm trying to remove the links or build up, I find them breaking down. So I've lost like 3 or 4, and another one was I can't get it. I have another short lock here at the center. I can't get it. Yes, this one. This one, I did some rotation. I think it was a bad one, and I got a knot. So when I was trying to separate it, I lost half of it, but it has grown. If you're clicking my video for the first time, I'm a loctician. I'm Sabi, a loctician within Kisumu, but I'm very flexible. I can come anywhere. And in this channel, I share my DIY and also my clients' work. Like you've seen, if you have seen some videos, most of them are for my clients and my DIY. So if you would like to know more about Sisterlocs, this is the right channel for you. Or maybe you have locks and you'd love to learn how to DIY the retightening and maintenance. This is the right channel for you. So kindly consider subscribing and press the notification bell for you to be notified wherever I upload a new video. And I will be sharing some tips. Of course, I've been doing that. So for now, let me take you through how my journey has been since day one. Though I will not show you. I'll just show you some photos because I don't have the videos. I just started this content a few months ago. So what is available are some few photos that I can get from Facebook. Oh, sorry. This is my sprit. This is a leave-in based concoction. It is made of cloves and rosemary, and I've added some essential oils: peppermint, rosemary, essential oil, and also tea tree. Actually, this concoction has really helped my hair, and it's a self-made. If you can see, I'm not so sure. This is the center, and my Microlocs doesn't have a grid. So this is how my journey has been. As you can see, the pictures are not very clear. I started my locks. Actually it's Microloc. I started it with a two-strand twist, and since then I've been retightening it by interlocking method, and this is how my journey has been. I just want to motivate those who thinks that they have low porosity air so they cannot do sister lock. No, actually this is the right style for you, because it will make your air fuller. So if you ever thought of having sister lock, don't give up. Go ahead and get your sister lock done. You will thank me later. So this is how my hair was looking before I did my retie. It's been 8 weeks. I normally do my retie at 6 weeks, but this time I went up to 8 weeks. So some have married. I'm just trying to separate them. I've washed it. You can see how it's overgrown. The growth is too much. Are you seeing how my crown is looking? And I'm going to use this. This is a leave-in water based. So at times I like to use it. I don't use it like in on every wash. I'll massage my hair and scalp before starting my retightening. So this was day one. Actually, I did almost half of it. As you can see, I'm using 2-point rotation. Self-retightening, it's quite stressing. Your hands get tired, your neck, actually everything, because you have to check each and every time before you start doing another lock, before threading it. You have to check on the mirror both at the back and at the front to ensure you are on the right one. And also when doing your rotation, you have to put your finger on the other loop so that the tool doesn't go through the other lock, and you also need to clip them so that you just remaining with the one you are working on. It's quite hectic, but it can save you also some money, some coin. So if you are determined, you can learn to do your own DIY retight. Guys, thank you for watching this video up to this point. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, help my channel grow. Thank you. Self-retightening needs a lot of patience. Just create some time, because it's something you cannot do in a day. It can take you even a week. It will depend. So me, I normally retite my hair when I'm free. Once I'm tired, I leave it at that and I relax. And then I'll pick it once I've relaxed. So my hair is done, as you can see. I'm through with it. Look at it. It's beautiful, yeah? And my locks are very light. It feels so nice just waking up in the morning and just spraying your hair with water and off you go. This is an hair freedom, guys. Everybody should try this hairstyle and it's trendy. It was nice hanging out with you. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.